I stood before walls that touched the heavens, walls no army could break. And yet, God whispered, "The city is yours." How could stone and iron stand against the living God? The city of Jericho was sealed shut. No one came in, no one went out. Their walls mocked us, thick, unshakable. My men trembled, not at their spears, but at the weight of impossibility. Then the Lord spoke to me, and his command was unlike any battle plan I had ever known. March! Once around the city each day, for 6 days, no swords drawn, no war cries, only priests, trumpets, and silence. My heart questioned, would my men obey? Would the people laugh from the walls? But when God speaks, you obey. On the first morning, we rose, the Ark of the Covenant in the center, priests before it, soldiers surrounding it. The city watched from above, jeering, mocking. But my men, not a word escaped their lips. Only the sound of horns breaking the silence of Jericho. Each step was a sermon, each horn blast, a declaration. This battle is not ours, it is the Lord's. Day after day we marched. 6 days, around and around. The people of Jericho mocked less and feared more. I could see it in their eyes. With every horn, their courage cracked. Some of my men questioned in their hearts, why not fight now? Why wait? But I knew, obedience is our weapon, patience is our warfare, and faith is the hammer that breaks every wall. The 7th day arrived. We rose before the sun. My heart pounded, not with fear, but with holy expectation. 7 times around the city, the Lord commanded. 7 times. With each circle, I felt heaven draw closer. People inside watched in silence now. No laughter, only wide eyes. They knew something unseen was moving. When the 7th march was complete, I raised my hand and cried, "Shout, for the Lord has given you the city." And the earth shook beneath us. Stones split like clay. Walls that mocked us crumbled like dust before the breath of God. In a single moment, Jericho fell. As the dust cleared, only the scarlet cord of Rahab's house stood unshaken. God remembered her faith. She and her family lived, while Jericho's pride was buried in the ruins. That day, Israel did not conquer Jericho. God did, and we witnessed his power, not by sword, not by strength, but by obedience and faith. My friend, walls still rise against us today. Fear, doubt, sin, despair. They tower, unshakable. But hear me, no wall stands against the hand of God. Obedience may look foolish, faith may seem weak, but in the end, God's word will never fail. If this story stirred your faith, tell me in the comments, what wall in your life do you need God to bring down? And remember, subscribe for more biblical stories brought to life.